Hello and welcome to the Custom Constructor YouTube channel. This is an awesome $900 gaming computer for March of 2015. The motherboard for this system is the Asus Maximus 6 Hero. It is an ATX board, has the LGA 1150 socket, and is part of Intel's Z87 series. It costs $130. The CPU for this build is the Intel Core i5-4690K. It is clocked at 3.5 GHz, has 4 cores, and fits the LGA 1150 socket. It costs $215. The graphics card for this system is the Gigabyte GTX 970 WindForce Edition. It has 4 GB of RAM and is clocked at 1.11 GHz. It costs $339. For the RAM, we have some G.Skill X series. It is DDR3 1866 and is 8 GB. Its CAS latency is 10 and it costs $65. The hard drive for this system is the Western Digital Black series. It has a capacity of 1 TB. It is a 3.5-inch drive and has an RPM of 7200. It costs $74. The power supply for this build is the EVGA 600B. It powers 600 watts, is 80+ Bronze certified, and is not modular. It costs $35. The case for this PC is the Corsair 200R. It is a mid-tower case, has 4 internal 3.5-inch bays, 4 2.5-inch bays, and costs $50. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe.